A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is anti-hyperlipidemic agents. Okay? So first of all, we should know about the introduction of anti-hyperlipidemic agents. Actually, the lipids of human plasma are transported into the macromolecular complex and termed as lipoprotein. Okay, what is the lipoprotein? That is, the lipid of human plasma are transported into macromolecule complex and termed as lipoprotein. Actually, the lipoproteins are necessary for the transport of cholesterol and triglycerides into the blood. So, a number of metabolic disorders that involves the elevation of any lipoprotein. What is the mean of elevation of any lipoprotein? That means the higher level of the lipoprotein series are termed as hyperlipoproteinemia or hyperlipidemia. That means hyperlipidemia is also known as hyperlipoproteinemia. Okay, so the two major clinical sequelae of the hyperlipoproteinemia are the acute pancreatitis and atherosclerosis. Okay, two clinical disease which are comes from the hyperlipoproteinemia are the acute pancreatitis and atherosclerosis. Lipoprotein contains alipoprotein. Okay, so blood conveys lipoprotein or lipids into the arteries wall that have low density lipoprotein. Blood is convey the lipids. What is the lipid? Lipid is a fatty acids. Okay, blood conveys the fatty acids or lipids into the artery wall that have low density lipoprotein. Now come to the pharmacological agents. The pharmacological agents that reduce the concentration of plasma lipids are called hypocholesterolemia agent. Okay, the pharmacological agents that reduce the concentration of plasma lipid are called hypocholesterolemia agents. An increase in the plasma lipids, particularly cholesterol, is a common feature of atherosclerosis, a condition involving arterial damage which may lead to ischemia, heart disease, myocardial infarction and cerebrovascular accidents. This is the damage of arteries by the increase of plasma lipid. So, and the lipids features क्या हैं? Lipids are insoluble in water and they are transported into the plasma as lipoprotein. An increase in the plasma concentration of these substances is called the hyperlipidemia. What is the term is hyperlipidemia? This is the increase in the plasma concentration of these substances called the hyperlipidemia or hyperlipoproteinemia. Okay, lipoproteins consist of central core of hydrophobic lipids, that is triglycerides or cholesterol esters, encased in a more hydrophilic coat of polar substances, that is phospholipids, free cholesterol and associated proteins, that is apoproteins. So now come to the point. Lipoproteins are classified into 4 types. What is the classification of the lipoprotein? That is the 4 type of the lipoproteins, that is HDL, LDL, VLDL and chylomicron. What is the full form of these type of lipoproteins? That is HDL means high density lipoprotein. Sorry for the inconvenience. High density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein and very low density lipoprotein, chylomicron. That is the fourth type of the lipoprotein. Actually these lipoprotein or anti-hypercholesterolemia agents, that is the anti-hyperlipidemic agents, act either by reducing the production of lipoprotein or by their removal from the blood.